Oh, what is it? We decided we'd start giving you each an ornament every year for...
It's cold. Look. Oh, it's earmuffs.
Wait.
Still on.
Merry Christmas.
Got it?
No.
How's it feel, man?
Good.
So soft.
Looks just like mine. Feel it though.
Andrew. You know what those are?
A big one.
You didn't know it. Oh, what did you get?
A mermaid. I kind of figured. Last year you told us we couldn't get Nintendo and you got it. Got it.
So you
I
thought it
know. That's why I was trying to work
was...
that
Well,
we are
Matt's opening up something for you guys too. Congrats. And this is something for you guys.
What is it?
Look at it.
Oh, couldn't see it. Okay.
Okay.